In today's video, I will show you how to buy a Wayfair gift card. To get started, open your web browser and go to wayfair.com, ensuring that you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home page, move your cursor over the account button in the top right corner and select gift cards from the menu. You will then see different options, including digital e-gift cards, printable cards, and physical cards. For this example, I will select a digital e-gift card. Next, you will need to choose the amount you wish to load onto the card and specify the date you would like it to be sent. You will also need to enter the recipient's name and email address, along with your name as the sender. After filling out these details, click Add to Cart and then select Proceed to Checkout. On the final page, simply enter your payment information, review your order details, and click Place Order to complete your purchase. And that's it. That's how you buy a Wayfair gift card. Thank you for watching.